Just by spending a little money, you can let your phone fight alongside you for another 10 years. Do you think it's worth it? This is an iPhone 14 Pro 128GB sent in for repair by a fan who's followed us for 3 years. He said the phone was a gift from his girlfriend when he was in college. It holds great sentimental value for him. He doesn't trust the local repair shops back home. Their equipment isn't that professional, and the repair quality is even more questionable. Since he traveled over 3,000 kilometers to choose us, we definitely can't let down his trust. The owner said money was tight during college, so he only got the 128GB version. The phone has tons of data he doesn't want to delete. He hopes to patch it up and keep using it for 10 more years. If you're watching this and want to upgrade and maintain your iPhone to keep it running for 3 to 5 more years, you can follow the same method in this video. Some people silently watch the video, but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Such people are so adorable. Now, here's the full process of the storage upgrade and battery replacement. First, place the motherboard onto the mold for grinding. Grinding avoids damage from heat guns during rework. It also lowers the risk of upgrading the storage. After several rounds of grinding down to the base solder pads, the old NAND chip is removed. The edges of the chip are also cleaned of adhesive. Then we smooth out each solder pad. Clean the leftover flux on the motherboard. Blow tiny solder balls onto the new 1TB NAND chip. Apply flux onto the chip. Install the chip back onto the motherboard and heat it. Once the temperature hits the right point, a soft press confirms it's in place. The new chip is now installed smoothly. Then we seal the chip with black adhesive. Cure the entire motherboard in the reflow oven. Apply new stickers and cushioning foam to the board. Try to restore the board to its original condition. After upgrading storage, to restore dust and waterproof performance, we must thoroughly clean all the surrounding adhesive. Two key things determine airtightness, whether the old glue is fully cleaned off, and whether the waterproof adhesive is original. Once clean, we remove the old battery. Clean off the old adhesive. Install a new 3600 mAh zero-cycle high-capacity silicon carbon battery. Apply original waterproof adhesive for daily protection before final assembly. Clean off all fingerprints and dust. Place it in the heat press to seal the waterproofing. Every upgraded phone also gets a fresh system installed. Only the latest version can be restored. Once that's complete, the phone is officially repaired. In the system info, the original 128GB has now become 1.02 terabytes of storage. And the battery is fully revived. We hope this phone can accompany the fan for another 10 years.